In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download data from MyFitnessPal. First, launch the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see a clean and user-friendly interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you track your meals, workouts, and progress. Ensuring that the app is open and functioning smoothly is critical because it sets the stage for everything that follows. If you are using a mobile device, make sure it is connected to the internet. This will allow you to access all features without interruptions. Once the app is launched, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, tap the More button, which is represented by three dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. This button is your gateway to additional options and settings within the app. When you tap it, a menu will appear revealing various options tailored to enhance your experience. This step is significant because it allows you to access the features that are not immediately visible. It's designed to streamline your navigation through the app. After you select the More button, you will have a clearer path toward accessing your nutrition or progress data. Now select the nutrition or progress options from the list that appears. Depending on what data you want to download, you can choose either option. The nutrition option will provide insights into your dietary intake, while the progress option will show your fitness journey over time. This decision matters because it determines the type of information you will export from your MyFitnessPal account. Take a moment to consider what data will be most useful to you. Once you have made your selection, you will be guided to the next step in the process. After that, tap the export icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. The export icon is usually represented by an arrow pointing out of a box. By tapping this icon, you are signaling your intent to download the selected data. This step is crucial because it initiates the process of exporting your data in a usable format. It's a straightforward action, but it leads to the collection of important information that you can analyze or share as needed. Once you tap the export icon, you will be brought to the next screen where you can proceed with the download. Finally, click Export to complete the process. This action will confirm your choice and finalize the download of your data. Depending on the size of the data, this may take a moment. It's essential to ensure that you are ready to receive your data in the chosen format, whether that's a CSV file or another type. This step wraps up the entire process, and you should see a confirmation message that indicates your data is being exported. This means you're all set to access your information whenever you need it. Now that you've successfully downloaded your data, you can use it for various purposes, such as tracking your progress or analyzing your nutrition. Remember, this data can be invaluable in helping you achieve your health and fitness goals. Thank you for following along in this tutorial on how to download data from MyFitnessPal.